Hello, welcome to Python Interview Hacks. Our today's problem statement is given a string S, rearrange the characters of a string so that any two adjacent characters are not same. So let's understand the problem first. So here we have a string that has three A's, one B and two C's. So we need to arrange this in a format that no any two A's or no any two C's are next to each other. So we are going to solve this using heap. So heap is a special tree-based data structure in which the tree is complete binary tree. There are two types, max heap and main heap. So we are going to use max heap here. So in max heap, the key present at the root node must be greater than or equal to among the keys present at its children. So we have the max, the root that is greater than any other numbers, that is A with the occurrence of 3, C with the occurrence of 2 and B with the occurrence of 1. So here we have the heap A3, B1 and C2, and we are going to take a variable named previous, and in this variable we are going to save the remaining occurrence of a character. So at the beginning it is going to be none, and we are taking one variable string and it is going to be empty string, and we are going to add one by one characters to it. So let's start. So we are going to start with most frequent character, because if we don't start with the most frequent character, then at some point it is going to be adjacent. So here the most frequent character is A, so we are taking A and we are adding that to our string. So now our string is just A. So now there are two more occurrences, two more A's remaining, so we are going to store that in our previous, and now we are going to check if there are any other characters that are not A but are most frequent. So A is stored in previous, and heap we have B1 and C2. So C is most frequent here. So we are going to take one C and we are adding that to our string. So here we have our string A C. So now we are going to again check most frequent character, and we are going to keep our C remaining one C in our previous. So now our heap is A2 and B1, and in previous we have C1. So we cannot take C because we have already used C here. So now most frequent here is A with two occurrences. So we are going to add that to our string, and now here you can see our string is ACA, and A are not adjacent here. So now we have used two A's, so we cannot use one more A, so we are going to store that in our previous. So we have A1. Now again we are going to check for most frequent. So here we have B and C, and both have the occurrence of just one. So we are going to take B here, and we are going to add that B to our string. So here we have new string ACAB, and now we have used B. Its count was only 1. So now our previous is none, because there is nothing in our previous variable. Our heap is now A1 and C1. Again searching for most frequent, so both has same occurrence, so we are selecting A here. So we have new string ACABA. Again A was the
last A, so we are setting previous equals to none because there are no elements remaining in A. There are no more A remaining. So our new string is ACABA. Now again we are going to search for most frequent. So we have already used A, so we only have C1 in our heap. So we are going to add the C into our string, and as this was the last one, so previous is again set to none, and our final string is ACABAC.
Let's see how we can solve this in Python. So first of all, we are going to see two methods to count the occurrence of each character in a string. So we are taking a function counter, and now we are going to use a dictionary, empty dictionary we are creating, and then we are going to add one by one values to our dictionary. So first we are going to iterate through our string. So for I in S, so we will get one by one values of string in our I, and now we are going to check if this I is already present in our variable dictionary 1. So if I in dictionary 1, if the I is already present, then we are going to increment the value by 1. So dictionary 1 of I equals to dictionary 1 of I plus 1. If it is not present, then we are going to set it to 1. So dictionary 1 of I equals to 1, and finally printing the dictionary. So here we have used a string AAA BAC. So using the dictionary, here we can see A has 4 occurrences, B has 1 occurrence, and C also has 1 occurrence. The next method is using the counter function from the collection. So we will have to import that as it is a different model. So from collection import counter. So defining a function counter, and we are going to store these counters in a variable named count. So count equals to counter.
Equals to counter, and we are passing our string s here and returning the count. So again we will get one by one character present in string, count of the character present in a string. So C equals to counter AAA BAC and printing the C. So we are getting the values here. Counter A occurred 4 times, B occurred 1 time, and C occurred 1 time.
So we are going to use heap data structure, and in order to use that we will need to import that model. So import heap queue. So let's see our program. We are defining a function named rearrange, and we are passing the parameter s here. So to count the each occurrence of character, I'm going to use counter function from collection. So count equals to counter and passing the string s. So now we are going to use maxheap, but Python does not support maxheap. So we are going to create a mean heap with negative indexing. So we are creating a list here. So we want the values count in negative and the character. So using list comprehension, we are creating this list. So for character and count in count dot items. So we will get here character and its count in negative. So now here we have just created a list, but it is not a heap yet. So we will have to make it into a heap using heapify. So heap q dot heapify in bracket max heap. So now it is converted into our heap. So means what is happening? We have at the root, if we are considering this string, at the root node we have a minus 4 with the most frequent node, and other nodes are following this root. So now here we are taking a variable previous and assigning it the value none, because at the beginning there will not be anything in the previous, and we are taking a result and we are assigning empty string. We are going to start a process. We are going to take the most frequent value from our heap, and we are going to add that value to our string. And so now we want to select another value that is not the same character. So we are going to store that in our previous and go to our heap and again check for the most frequent character. So while maxheap or previous, which means while maxheap is not empty or previous is not null. So we are going to run this loop till this condition is satisfied. So here we are just printing the previous and heap. So the question also says if uh, it is not possible to rearrange the character in a manner that no two characters are adjacent, then return an empty string. So now if previous and not maxheap means if there are values previous is not null and there is nothing in maxheap, then we will have to return the empty string. So if previous and not maxheap, return empty string. Continuing with our while loop. So now count comma character equals to heap q dot heap pop max heap. So pop returns the smallest or most frequent item from the heap. So we are going to get for if we are running this the first time, we are going to get the count 4 and the character a here. So it is returning the smallest, so we are getting a. So we are going to add that character to our result. So result equals to result plus character. And as we have already used that character, we are not going to use that again. We will have to decrement the value of that character. So as they are in negative, we will be incrementing that by 1. So count equals to count plus 1. And we are just printing our new string here. We are going to continue this. So now next is if previous, means if the count reaches the 0, don't set it to previous. Okay, but if it is not, then we are going to change the previous. So now if previous heap q dot heap push max heap comma previous, we are pushing the value into the heap. Means now we have already first we have used a is in our previous, then next suppose there is two C's, so most frequent is C, so we are using C, and now we are changing that to previous, changing to C1. But now even we have also utilized C and there is no C remaining, then we are going to uh, get our previous to none, set our previous to none, so previous equals to none. So next condition is if count is not equals to 0. And now here if count was 0, then what did we do? We set it to 0. Now if the count is not equals to 0, then we are going to change the previous to count as character. Means the character we have used here first. So if we have used C, so our previous, if C has two occurrences, then our previous is going to be C and the remaining occurrence of that character. And finally we are printing our result. So let's run this program. So here I am calling the function rearrange and I am passing the string AAACBC. So now if I run this, sorry, I will have to run the heap queue again. So first of all, previous is none because there is nothing in previous. So that's why previous none, and our original heap is minus 3a, minus 2c and minus 1b. So most frequent character here is a. So it is going to be added to our new string and our new string is going to be a. And now we want to select another character that is not a but it is most frequent, so we are saving this in our previous. So value of our previous is minus 2a. So here you can see it is decremented as we have already used the 1a here. So now our heap is minus 2c and minus 1b. Again we are taking the most frequent character and the most frequent character here is c, and now we are adding that character to our string. So now our new string is AC and we are saving the remaining C in our previous. Okay, so previous is changed to minus 1C and our heap is minus 2A minus 1B. Again we are checking for most frequent and most frequent here is A with minus 2. So we will be adding this to our string. So our string is ACA. Now 1a is all remaining, so our previous is going to be minus 1a and our new heap is going to be minus 1b and minus 1c. Again we are checking for most frequent character, so a and b and c has same occurrence, so we are selecting b from here. So our new string is going to be ACAB. And now b is only 1, so our previous is going to be none here because there is nothing left in b, so previous is none and our new heap is minus 1a and minus 1c. So now again we are taking the first character here, that is 1, and adding that to our string, so ACABA. Again, we have used all the A's. So now there is nothing we can use. So previous is again set to none. And in heap we have -1c. It is the last character and only character. So we are adding that to our new string and we are getting the result as ACABAC. If we run this, again we are getting the same answers, but here you can see there are 4 A's, 1 B and C, and now it is not possible. So here we have in the last we have new string ABACA. We have used 3 A's and again one more A is remaining in previous heap, and in heap there is nothing. So in this case we are going to return an empty string.